mate. Scott here from Jurassic Pet. I'm going to use this chainsaw to cut some chains.
Where's your PPE?
I've got some PPE on, my long tights. To start it, you got to press this button here.
That's where fuel goes.
And then
okay.
You pull this real hard and like this. And then it's going. Alright, I'm gonna cut. It's important when you cut to go right in the middle so that it breaks either side evenly.
So it catches the bark, yeah, so good.
Alright, I'm gonna get started.
That's not how you use the chainsaw, stop that.
Thanks mate, I got it from you.
Oh shit, I'm gonna use this. You're going on my TikTok. Thanks babe. Alright, put that down for you.
Need any more help?
No, thank you.